Hello everyone, welcome to Product Design course code P20DE203C. This is the professional elective course in MTech second semester with a specialization of design engineering in mechanical engineering. I am Rakesh, assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kids Warangal. In this semester, I am going to teach this course. Uh, Coming to introduction of product design, let us see what is product design. Product design is the process of creating new product that turns a profit and benefits society in some way. It is the efficient and effective generation and development of ideas through a process that leads to new products. The design process is a sequence of events and a set of guidelines that helps define a clear starting point that makes the designer from visualizing a product in his or her imagination to realizing realizing it in real life in a systematic manner without hindering their creative process. The ability to design requires both science and art. The science can be learned through a systematic process, experience, and problem solving technique. The art is gained by practice and a total dedication to becoming proficient. The engineering design process can be used to achieve several different outcomes. One is the design of products, whether they be consumer goods such as refrigerators, power tools, or DVD players, or highly complex products such as missile systems or a jet transport plane. Another is a complex engineered system such as an electrical power generating station or a petrochemical plant, while at another is the design of a building or a bridge. Why is the product design concept used? For profit maximization in long run, for upgrade desired product quality, for time, reduce development time and cost to minimum, ensure producibility and manufacturability. Uh, for this purpose, we are going to use this course. Coming to the syllabus, we are having 4 units. Let us see the unit 1 contents. This unit 1 is divided into 2 chapters. First one is design process. In this design process, having the following contents. First one is describing mechanical design problems and processes. The second one is types of mechanical design problems, languages of mechanical design, constraints, goals, and design decisions, designers and design teams. The second chapter is planning of design process. In this, we will going to discuss overview of the design processes, organization, techniques, developing design project plans, steps in planning and case studies. Unit 2, design concept generation and evaluation. In this chapter, we will learn about technique for functional decomposition, generating and developing concepts, evaluation based on feasibility, judgment, technology, readiness assessment, go or no go screening, decision matrix. Unit 3 contents are development of engineering specifications. In this, we will learn about steps in development of engineering specifications, identification of customers' requirements, quality functional development, that is QFD. In this second chapter is industrial design. In this, we will learn about design for emotion and experience, human behavior in design. Coming to Unit 4 contents, product evaluation, importance and goals of performance evaluation, robust design, sensitivity analysis, cost estimation in design, design for reliability, design for environment and maintenance. These are the 4 units we will discuss in the classroom. The standard textbook for this course, that is David G. Ullman, The Mechanical Design Process, 4th edition, McGraw-Hill, New York 2011. These are the following reference books for this course. First one is George E. Dieter, Engineering Design, 4th edition, McGraw-Hill edition, New Delhi 2013. Second one, Carl T. Ulrich and Stephen D. Eppinger, Product Design and Development, 2nd edition, McGraw-Hill. McGraw-Hill edition, that is also New Delhi 2012. Third one, E.N. Baldwin and B.W. Nibel, Designing for Production, 2nd edition, Homewood, uh, Illinois 1975. The fourth book is J.C. Jones, Design Methods, Seeds of Human Futures, 3rd edition, John Wiley, New York 1978. The last reference book is J.G. Brala, Handbook of Product Design for Manufacture, 2nd edition, McGraw-Hill, New York 1988. This is the brief discussion about units, textbooks and reference books. For this course, we are having 4 learning objectives and 4 learning outcomes. Let us see the learning object for Unit 1. Design process, planning and case studies. After completion of this unit, the student will able to learn the following outcome, that is describe design process, planning and case studies. For Unit 2, learning objective is design concept generation and evaluation. Course outcome is compare design concepts and evaluation techniques. For Unit 3, learning objective is engineering specifications and industrial design. Course outcome 3 is develop engineering specifications and industrial design. For unit 4, learning objective is product evaluation and cost estimation. Course outcome 4 is evaluate the performance of the product for reliability and cost. These are the 4 learning objectives and these are the 4 course learning outcomes.